Hi everyone, welcome back to Shopee weekly video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the secret to find the winning products to sell on Shopee. Many people has been asking me how to find a winning products to sell on Shopee. And today, I'm going to share with you the secrets of how to find a winning products. Yes, there are strategies to find winning products. Hi, I'm Vanette. If you are first time here, welcome to my channel. I'm an e-commerce coach helping my students to earn five-figure sales in e-commerce. Please make sure you watch this video till the end because I will share the secret tips along the steps. Before I begin, how do we define a winning product? A winning product is a product that has a high demand but low competition in Shopee. This means that if the product has a high demand but less seller to sell, means that you must sell that product. Now you may ask me, if the product already in the hot demand, surely there is a lot of people already selling. So how can we still selling the same products? The secret tip is we don't sell exact product. We are looking at the side product that's surrounding of that hot products. So I give you an example. If the hot product is shampoo, so there's an opportunity for you to sell shampoo refill pack, shampoo brush that very closely related to shampoo. I'm going to share with you the step by step on how to search a winning product on Shopee. Let's go. First, you come to Shopee homepage. You scroll down to look for top products category. Under top products, see all these are the hot product category in Shopee. That means that this product already have hot demand. Second way is come to Shopee homepage. You go to another section called trending search, which is here. Come to trending search. All the product listed here and many more are the hot keywords that searched by the buyer, which means to say the keywords and the product showing in these two sections here are hot demand products in Shopee. Next, go to Shopee keyword ads. When you open this, you can key in the keyword here. For example, we key in shampoo. So, you see, when we key in shampoo, there is a lot more shampoo related keywords or shampoos related products are listed down at the drop down list here. What does this mean? These are the keywords that searched by potential buyer. So it means that all these keywords has the demand, right? When the product has the demand, that is why the potential buyer search for it. All right. So here I would like to share with you another secret tip. In order to look for high demand, low competitions product, we highly recommend you to look for micro niche keywords. Micro niche keywords, in another words, is called long tail keywords, which is any keywords that more than 3 words, like this one, shampoo, hair loss. Okay, so now we back to Shopee homepage. And here we key in shampoo hair loss and see what comes out. Good. You can see here, after we type in shampoo hair loss, there are 100 pages of product listing. One page of product listing has 50 products. So if they have minimum 100 pages, that means it's about 5,000 products listed under shampoo hair loss. That is very saturated market here. But one thing to note, for Shopee, there is a possibility for a same product from a same seller to be listed more than once. So we are looking at the little pages here. So how little is little? So my secret tip to you is we are looking at less than 50 pages of product listing. So here we come back at the keywords here. How about we look for shampoo refill pack, shampoo refill pack. And you see, there's only 8 pages, which is very little seller are selling this shampoo refill pack. But there's hot demand, right? Because the buyer are looking at these keywords. So the product here are very little for the buyer to choose. So I can conclude that shampoo refill pack is a good product to sell. So let me give you another example. Let me see. For example, I put in a keyword called floor, and when I put floor, a lot of floor related keywords comes up. So for example, I look for floor chair. Even I click on floor chair, there is still a lot more floor chair related product comes up, right? That means all these keywords are searching by buyer. They wanted to buy all these products here. Okay, take a look at floor chair foldable. Floor chair foldable. Okay, you see, floor chair foldable is only have 17 page of product listing. It's less than 50 pages. So this product can be sell. And you can see that some of them are selling quite well here, right? What happens if we just put in floor chair? If you put in floor chair, it's quite general, which shows up 100 pages of product listing. Okay, but if we further to niche down our product niche into floor chair foldable, then only narrow down to 7 pages of product listing, which means that this keyword floor chair foldable is in high demand but less competition. In another words, this product is very safe to sell. Do you understand now? And having said that, right, I would like to share my last tip or secret tips. After you found the high demand, low competitions of products like floor chair foldable, you need to bear in mind that the size of the products prefer not too big and heavy, because bulky product will affect high shipping costs to you as a seller. So I will make another video on further explain what are the factors to take note when we choose what product to sell, so that to save costs as a Shopee seller. See you in next video. Bye bye.